Hello, this is Elliot Schlissel. I'm an estate's attorney, and the discussion today involves an administrator removed for misconduct. So surrogate Norma Anderson, sitting in New York County, recently removed an administrator of an estate because of lack of fitness to serve as the administrator due to misconduct. So an individual who died was survived by 4 children. Letters of administration were issued to one of the decedent's daughters. There was one asset in the estate, a Manhattan cooperative apartment. The daughter, who was named the administrator, lived there. She was evicted from the apartment when she failed to pay the maintenance charges on the apartment. After her eviction, the apartment was sold in a foreclosure lawsuit. The proceeds from the foreclosure were not turned over to the administrator. The co-op held the funds because they were concerned they would be misappropriated by the administrator. The administrator took no action to obtain the funds and distribute the assets from the estate. The proceeding brought by the other children claimed the administrator's failure to make the maintenance payments, which resulted in the sale of the apartment in foreclosure, was evidence of her misconduct. They claimed she had not met her fiduciary obligations and should be removed as the fiduciary of the estate. Judge Norma Anderson agreed with the other 3 children's application. She wrote a decision which stated that the estate was more than 8 years old. The fact it was 8 years old was related to the respondent's inability or failure to fulfill her fiduciary obligations as the administrator of the estate. Instead of the estate being handled on a timely basis, it languished. Justice Anderson's decision also stated the administrator was involved in serious misconduct, which allowed the only asset of the estate to be sold in a foreclosure lawsuit. The decision held that the respondent was not fit to serve as an administrator. This is Elliot Schlissel, an estate's attorney, signing off. I can be reached at 800-344-6431.